Assalamualaikum. This is Labina from the Friendly Neighborhood Shop and welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing well. I just wanted to share very quickly this makeup look that I've created using Tartelette, this palette. And if you like what you see so far, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. I was told that this was released January this year and I managed to get my hand on it. It was out of stock in a couple of Sephora's in Singapore and I had to make a pre-order. Let's not waste any more time, just continue on. Colors for everyday use. This is perfect. Let's not waste any more time. Get started. I wanted to use this makeup palette by Tarte. This is relatively new. I purchased this some time back from Sephora. If I'm not wrong, this was released in Singapore in January of this year. And I got this some time back. This was a pre-order because later on I came to realize that when Sephora was sending out their press kit, they gave out this pack. So that was the reason why Sephora ran out of this, and this was a pre-order. I got the tester at the Sephora next to my house and kind of liked it really a lot. I'll let you guys know a little secret. Tell you guys a little secret. I have no qualms about using expired makeup. That's one of the reasons why I do sell budget makeup on my online store, because if you do not have sensitive skin, be cautious when you use expired products. I do not encourage it, and I've experimented on my face using tons of products. I have used both high-end products and I've used budget products. This is getting too long. Let's not waste any more time. I'll be creating a look using this palette. This is called your Tartelette Juicy. This is their Amazonian Clay eyeshadow palette and it has about 20 colors. The colors are really pretty. So the casing, when I first saw this actually looked so similar to your Charlotte Tilbury packaging. It's plastic and then when you open it up, it comes with a full mirror. Colors are what got me so excited. These are colors that you can actually use every day if you're into makeup and the price range is fine for you. These colors are colors that you can use every day. You can create multiple looks with the color Water Lily. This one, I tested it out at Sephora and it looks so pretty. Basically this color, like, you cannot go wrong with such a palette. Let's just see what I feel like creating. I'll start with my eyebrows first. I've already done my eyebrows a bit, but I'm just gonna touch up. I came back from work not long ago and I decided, you know what, I will share this with you guys. My eyebrows are pretty much done. I use a Tarte eyebrow mousse in rich brown or dark brown. Since the palette is mostly with your very soft pastel colors, I don't want to go very heavy on my eyebrows. When you're using Fenty Beauty, you have to work fast because it's very dry. Not all makeup palette looks nice on all kind of skin tone, but I feel this palette that Tarte came up with would look good on almost all. I wouldn't say almost, I think it will look good on all skin tone. I'll be using the color Paradise. It looks weird now, but it will turn out to be fine. I do have hooded eyes, so I'm just going to bring up the color up higher. I'm going to be taking Grounded, Petal and Paradise and going on my lower eyelid. I'm kind of okay with how the colors have turned out. Whenever you don't like how your eyeshadow turns out, you can always take a makeup wipe, correct it, no worries. Mascara, I'm gonna prime my face. I'm gonna be using Fenty Beauty Primer. This beauty blender, you can find it in my online store. It's actually not bad. You don't need to pay premium price. You can just use a beauty blender that is reasonably priced. lipstick color. It's called Pudire, and you can get this on my online store. The color is in number 2. It's actually a lip gloss. And I'm gonna set everything by my setting spray by Urban Decay. All you'll have to do is to accessorize, and I think you can just create this look and head out to party. But unfortunately in Singapore, all the clubs are closed. I don't know how are things at your end of the world, but in my part of the world, clubs are closed thanks to COVID-19. This is the final look. Just want to share something about this palette. The texture, the pigmentation. I believe sometimes for the price you pay for makeup, they do produce quality goods. So at least for Tarte, I approve. This is my final look. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. So this is the look. If there are flaws in it, let it be, because we're all beautiful in our own rights. Thank you.